racing stunts and crashes. When the countdown thrills galore, there's no speed limit and no holds barred. And the drivers are lucky to come out all in one piece. When the cross-country races become too tame, they wait for a very rainy day to stage the motorcycle obstacle race. Mud, mud, and more mud, and they call it a sport. What these fellows need is a rowboat, but they're out for a thrill, and they get it with moisture and goo. The motorcycle hill climb always provides excitement and thrills for all. They dash up the steep slope with the throttle wide open and hope to go over the top in one piece. Those last 10 yards that spell victory or defeat, and the majority fail to make it.